I'm going to show you how to add a new user to Deadbolt. First, you have to press this button 2 times. Then you have to enter your master password. Then you have to press the Teeho button 1 more time, and then you have to press 2, and now you have to enter the new user password. And then you have to press the Teeho button 1 more time. Then you have to re-enter the password 1 more time. And then you have to press the Teeho button 1 more time. Here you go. The new user has been added. Now we are going to try to unlock the door. Now I am